Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. In this video, we will prove that the sum of an even integer and an odd integer is always odd. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. So let's start. Let's assume that a is an even integer and b is an odd integer. So to prove our statement, it is enough to show that a plus b is odd. So we will prove it. As a is an even integer, so it will be divisible by 2. That is, it will be a multiple of 2. So we can write it as a equal to 2k for some integer k. And again note that b is an odd integer, so it will not be divisible by 2. So we can write b equal to 2m plus 1 for some integer m. Now we will add a and b. Doing that, we get a plus b equal to 2k plus 2m plus 1. Now take 2 common from the first two terms. Doing that, we get 2 times k plus m plus 1. Now rewriting it, we get 2n plus 1, where n is equal to k plus m. So we get a plus b equal to 2n plus 1. And 2n plus 1 is not divisible by 2. So a plus b is also not divisible by 2. Therefore, a plus b is an odd integer. Hence, even plus odd is odd. So we have proved our statement.